Hey guys, Kevin Jeff here from CJS Knives. Here at my new house. I thought I'd give you a short tour. Here's my daughter. Here's my backyard. Sorry about the shakiness, but I'm having to use my phone. I can't find my camera. Here's the rear of the house, and this is the entrance to the basement. Jaden, say hi.
Hi.
And this is what will be my future knife shop. So I can get you a better view. This measures 8.5 feet wide, and it's 14.5 feet long from wall to wall. This was used for storage before. You see they had a bunch of mattresses here on the ground. There's a bunch of office equipment. There's still a printer down there. Originally I was going to use this as my starting point for the workbench and kind of build off here and go down, but this is actually too high. The height of this is too high. Once I have my grinders up on top of that, it would be almost at shoulder level, a little bit below my shoulders, and that's just too high. So I'm going to have to remove these shelving, which I'm planning on doing anyway, and build a bench down this wall here. Go down the wall and then turn it across here. As you can see, I got some little bit of issues with some leaking, some water coming through. I got to fix that. I have some window vents, but the biggest main issue is this insulation. I'm gonna have to tuck back in, and I'm probably just gonna put a piece of plastic across the whole thing and staple that nice and tight. Of course, these wood braces will come down. Then over here, that vent is completely open. I gotta block that off. What'd you find?
I found a green, small black.
Yeah, I think that's a walnut.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is just the front half of the basement. This was an addition, that was an add-on. And then this is the rest of the basement in here. And this is unfinished by the extreme means. Gravel floor and half walls throughout, with built on top of that with the foundation. There's my electrical panel. I'll be diving into that to find out if I got some extra breakers I can break into. But see, this is still some of the trash that was left here from previous owner. I haven't got all of it out yet. I've already made a lot of loads. This, on the other hand, is future workbench material. This I grabbed from work. There's some treated wood, and that's just some regular wood. Of course, that's my shop fan. I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's another shop fan. My vacuum back in there. And then that spooky looking room actually is a little pantry room, and that's where I have all my shop tools, my shop equipment, and a bunch of other various stuff that I took from storage. But yeah, this is it so far, and as you can see, there is lots of work to be done if I'm ever going to turn this into a usable workshop. But this is the idea, mainly because it's a smaller area, easier to heat and cool, has a concrete floor, and I do have power here. I have a light here and a light here, which is on light switch. There's no electrical boxes anywhere in here for an outlets, so that's the only power I have right now. So I have a lot to work on. What do you think, sweetie?
I think it's rabbit eye.
I don't know what you just said.
It's rabbit eye.
Rabbit's eye?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a rabbit eye. Apparently it's not a walnut like Daddy thought. Anyhow, say bye-bye.